I put an inferior cell phone next to it so I can see how thick it is?
I have a lot of respect for these other
You're
folks.
late, buddy.
I'm not
You're
gonna
late.
ding
We
these
did
guys.
it a half hour ago.
Yeah, you've been hanging out for a long time. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
It's old school, by the way. So.
Yeah.
Are you gonna have an email solution, a knock, or it's gonna be integrated with other email?
It is absolutely a web-based product, and the web kind of informs the core experience. So WebOS, the differentiating elements of WebOS are layered calendars. So now I'm going to show you. You've got a layered view, or you can see. Hold on. You can see my personal, my work. I've got a feed of the sharks, all the shark themes on here, so I can see what's happening there. I can go through, and then I can change that view so that I've got. Where are you guys from?
Fast Company.
Cool, yeah. Awesome. How you doing? I've got a. All of my calendars, you could have your wife's calendar on here, so you can see every view of your life. Got a little distracted there, sorry. Let me get back on my flow here. So if I want to see just my personal life, I can go ahead and store it, and I see the gray area, so if I'm trying to schedule or book myself, I still know there's something there, but it's a lot easier to view my life. So layered calendars are one of the first differentiating points of WebOS.
There is a knock that has everyone's calendar, or you sync one between each other.
It's really not synchronizing. It is the web. You are viewing those calendars, right?
And these are calendars provided by whom? Your calendar?
EAS could be Google, could be Facebook. You can view multiple. So like if I go back, let me go to the contacts here for a second. So if I go to contacts and I open it up and I type, DV. So instantly I go right to David Venetian. I can see he's got, David Venetian has 3 contacts. I can see there's a Google feed, an EAS feed, Exchange feed, and a Facebook feed. These are not copies of the data on those websites. This is your Google view. This is your Facebook page. So if you make a change here, you are changing it just like you're changing it on your laptop, right?
Are you going to add more social networks?
We are not making any announcement today, but that would be something we think our customers would value. Yeah. Right?
Does it interface with Exchange as well?
I'm sorry?
Does it interface with Exchange?
Yes, absolutely. Right? So you can see all these multiple layered views. So we layered calendars, link contacts. The next. So I'm going to go. This is a really nice part of the UI here. If I move up, I can see all of my quick launch bars that were on all the original trios, the Trio 180, the Trio 600, 650, and I can launch, let's say I'm going to launch email now. Now I'm going to see let me try that again. So now I'm going to open up my email, and this is a threaded view of all my email inboxes. I can view just my Gmail, just my Palm. I can see all the folders, or I can go directly into my threaded view where I see a mashup of EAS and your personal calendars. So now I'm going to go, I'll pick one of my emails here, and I've got full HTML inline views. And I'm using this gesture. Remember that I've got this gesture area in the bottom. So I can use this back gesture here, or I can use this gesture to launch the launcher, which is like a sheet of glass which moves over these applications where you can see your context underneath. Now these little cards that you're seeing are, hold on, come on.
Can you save the photo in the email?
What's that?
Photo, can you save
come
photos
back.
natively in your email?
Oh, I know why. The reason why that didn't move before is I was sorted down. I typed DV, so you were sorted already down to one contact. I only had 3 things to show. This is a full contact list. You see that it's a live card, right? It still moves. It's much more valuable than an icon because it provides you context in an image that shows you where you were the last time you were interacting
Now, does this have background application running unlike previous versions of Palm OS?
or does this have a background?
So like the applications.
The previous Palm OS was single-threaded, so
Yes, yes.
when you closed it, it was gone. You
But
closed
this is,
it.
but this is multi-threaded.
This is a multi-threaded, absolutely a multi-threaded. I mean, that was one of the cores where we had to develop our new operating system because you cannot deliver UMTS without having a multi-threaded OS. You can't do data and voice at the same time.
Is this rooted in the BOS purchase you guys made it years ago, or is this completely brand new?
This is completely brand new from the ground up. We started it about 3 years ago, and it is Linux at the very lower level, and then WebOS is all the user application level is HTML for the content, CSS for the formatting, and JavaScript for the logic, just like any other web page. So it makes it incredibly easy to develop. We have a lot of web developers that are working with us. I know the Tweet guys that are working on a Twitter application. It took them like 4 days to get something up and running. So,
what about Flash support? Is there Flash support?
I can't comment on that today. We will provide more details later on.
Talk about support of enterprise applications. Such as
So we have full EAS, right? There are other aspects of the EAS extension, the VPN, etc. We don't have any details that we're providing at this time. Further details we'll announce that later.
Is there any
So,